Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have to find out this requirement. How do we resolve this problem? First and last week, Saturday, Sunday will be off. Second and third week, only Sunday will be off. So guys, this is the calendar we have from 1st of July 2025 until 31st of July. We have to find out, which day are working and which day are weekend. How do we resolve that? So guys, you can understand we have to create a dummy table. So if you see first 7 days, okay, and now second 7 days, and then last 7 days, and then we have 22 and above. So 1 to 7, 1 plus 6, 7, or 8 plus 6, 14, 15 plus 6, 21, and then 22 and above. So we call it first week, and this we call it second week. All right, and this we call it third week, and this we call it last week. So this is the table we have. Now you can put initial condition 1, 8, 15 and 22. So you know what happens, 22 and above will be considered last week. So less than, you can see that less than 15 but greater than equal to 8 will be called my second week, and this can be interpreted by VLOOKUP. Now how do we do that? Let's create a week, which week it falls in. So you can apply VLOOKUP. So what do we have to enter here? Day. Day we have to extract. Once we extract the day, that we have to locate over there in this table. You can see this is the table we have to select. Okay, you can press F4, comma 3, because third value we have to fetch. This is approximate match. Now simply drag this formula. So this formula will tell us this day falls under which week. Now guys, this is cool, and we have to find out the weekday also. Weekday. Ensure that first and last week, Sunday, Saturday off, and second and third week, only Sunday off. And then we have the remaining days which are working. So how to find out? You can use weekday. Weekday function we can use. Our week starts from Monday. You can mention 2. So which means greater than equal to 5 will be Saturday and Sunday. Now weekday also we have extracted. So how do we do that? Now status. Week status. Whether it is off or working, that we have to find out. So guys, there are two conditions we have to meet first for one logical test. This, now we have to use or condition. This should be either first week. This is one condition. Or this should be last week. Now this is my one logical test. In AND condition, the second logical is weekday. Weekday, the weekday of this which starts from 2, which is Monday, greater than equal to 5, and that will be called. See, this is another condition. So AND condition is done already. Now you wrap it in the if condition. If this condition is met, then what I need, guys, this is actually weekend. Week, END, weekend. Now, comma. You can actually copy the same condition. Okay, Control C and put another condition, guys. Let's see what happens. Stretch the formula bar. And now this is really cool, guys. Now, if this is second week, if this is second week, 2 and the second week, or third week, you can call it 3RD, third week. And weekday, you know, in the second and third week, your weekday, if that weekday equal to 7, if that weekday equal to 7, then only it is called weekend. So your weekend condition is already met, guys. Weekend condition already met. Now what did we do? Here we have to use again if condition. Okay, now see that. This is done. And else the days will be called working. That's the formula we have to build. Let's validate this formula, whether it is right or any improvement we require in this formula. Let's see, drag this formula. Let's drag this formula. Now formula is dragged. Now guys, apply the filter. So what are we telling? First and last week. First we check, we can create, one more column called day name to understand whether it is working or not in a better way. Text. So comma, DDD. So we know that other than Saturday, Sunday, they will be our working day. First we check that. Okay. Now see that. Apply filter. So guys, so here you can apply filter. Select everything. Saturday you can deselect, Sunday you can deselect. Everything will be working. So here you can see Friday it is telling me weekend. So somewhere something we have done a mistake. So you can see third week, okay, first week, last week. Let's see the formula because it is telling Friday is a weekend. So where is the problem? Let's debug this formula. Interesting. So in the formula, we are telling B2 equal to first week or last week. Clear? And then get then equal to 5. Awesome. Now guys, week end. If we talk about if B2, this is the two condition, second or third week, then we are telling weekday. It should be 7. Can you see that? It should be 7. If that is 7, then weekend will be there. Else we are telling working. So now understand greater than equal to 5 is called weekend. That is fine. First week or last week. And there we have if and or condition B2 equal to second week. Somewhere some spelling might be wrong. But anyway, weekend. That is the problem. No. That's fine. That's fine. It's correct. Weekend, else this is working. This is my end condition. I believe this is my end condition. I think that's fine. Let's validate again where the problem we are facing. Let's see first week and last week. First week, last week, we are searching first week, last week, Saturday, Sunday. That will be called, guys, weekend, which is working fine. This logic is working fine. First week, last week. Now, which one is left, guys? So, we are here and let's remove this and second and third week. In the second and third week, we are telling Saturday is working or Saturday is working. Sunday is my weekend. Sunday is my weekend. This is also working, guys. All good. Now, what is the problem here? We are checking because we are checking workday working. So over here we are facing no guys working. Everything is working. Maybe the formula took longer to refresh. It is working fine. Can you see that? It is working. Okay, because we are in the online Excel, that's why we are a bit confused. So the logic is correct. And see that this is working. I hope everyone is okay. And now see that if I'm selecting everything, only Saturday, Sunday I have to deselect. Now, why this Friday is coming this weekend? Why this Friday is coming weekend, guys? This is problem, but this is really funny because if you filter, because it's telling first week 5. The problem in the formula. The formula problem is that you have mentioned greater than equal to 5, which is wrong. This is wrong, guys, because greater than 5 will be Saturday, Sunday, not equal to. So that is the problem. So we have solved this problem now. So guys, in this example, we learned how to troubleshoot the formula, and this is great example. Now you see that we can select everything except Saturday, Sunday, and see that everything is working. Awesome. This is working fine. Great. Now, first and last week. Let's try first and last week, first and last week. And see that all Saturday, Sunday will be off and There you can see what is my weekend. They will be your Saturday, Sunday, which is working awesome. Great. Now, guys, go there and now select second and third week. And there you can see only my Sunday off or Saturday will be my working. You can see that Saturday will be my working. So, guys, this is the formula we have built. This is the absolute crazy formula. Control C, let me paste here, and you can see this is the formula. So this is basically a logic which we have to build. You can see greater than 5. Of course, if you are selecting 2 weekend where week starts from Monday, so 6 and 7 will be considered your weekend. That is what we have done here. So if you learn how to write a formula, simultaneously you have to learn how to debug the formula, how to troubleshoot the logic. So in this example, you will understand how you can define the problem, the thought process. How did we generate this thought process? And this beautiful formula can be turned out in just couple of minutes. I hope guys you found this useful. For more such recordings and videos, please subscribe and love my channel. Thank you so much.